Hello friends, here is another series on data cleansing and few useful formulas which are needed while working with the data, and I'll be sharing my experiences and the quick tips for that. While working on the data as an analyst, we many times see that the data is not in appropriate order, or the required grouping of the data is not there, and we need to juggle a lot for doing that cleansing. So hence I have created this series. Right now I'll be sharing quick tips on that, and as you recommend or as you request, we'll try to add many more features into it. So I'm starting with one of the complex formula, which is count ifs. So we will have to do here we can do the count based on the two dimensions. Okay, for us each dimension means one column in the Excel, and our count if should cover the two ranges. Let's see. So I'm doing count based on the range. Okay, and I'm giving what is my parameter on which it should match. Okay, similarly I'll take the second range and I'll say what is that matching criteria on which on the parameter it should match. So I'll put it as a text for your easy understanding. And let's see the count. Yes, we got the first count based on our two dimensions. I'm also doing it for my another parameter. Okay, and this is a 2 by 2 kind of matrix which we are working with countif. See, first we'll have to give the range and we have to tell which parameter it should match, and then second range and the which parameter in that column range that should be matching. As an analyst, my always practice is to first create the sum or the countif based on the fixed string, that is the matching criteria. And once my data is matched, I make it dynamic by making the by making the criteria dynamically available from the table itself. Okay, and you can see that what I mean at the end when I will be working on the same table. So advantage of making the field dynamic by taking directly from the available data set is that you don't make a mistake and of entering the string. Also you save your lot of time, and the accuracy of the results is very high. Okay, so your cube results are quickly available, quickly ready as soon as you are done with one correct formula with dynamic mapping to the field on which the calculation should be done. Okay, and see we are almost there. I can just copy paste my dynamic formulas, and yes, entire data is populated. I have put the total at the end and want to show that, see, the sum count is also matching, the row count, the sum is also matching. Okay, that's it in this simple video of doing two-dimensional counts. I hope you liked it and you will use it for your data related tables or your data analysis. Please let me know your feedback. If you want to add few more features or few more formulas, we will do that. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.